welcome to an overview of Acumatica's Project Change Order functionality. Change orders enable you to track project budget changes, additional costs and commitments, and implement change order procedures, including approval workflow. First, let's review the Cost Budget tab on our project. We are going to do a change order for this material here, the combustion liner. You can see the original budgeted quantity and the original budgeted amount. And then you can see also these two fields, the budgeted CO quantity and budgeted CO amount, have zeros, so there haven't been any change orders created for this particular line. In order to create a change order directly from the project, we just need to click the button Create Change Order at the top of the project. This will create a new change order with the project number already filled in. So we're just going to type in a description. And then we are going to create the change order on the cost budget lines. As you can see, you can also create the change order on the revenue budget. So we're going to select budget lines, and then we're going to look for our combustion liner. I'm going to go ahead and check that and add lines and close. So we can see that the original budgeted quantity was 1 and the original budgeted amount is 75, and we need an additional 10. So we're going to type in 10 there. Then we are going to uncheck the hold button and release. Once the change order is released, we're going to go back to our project and hit the refresh button. Then we're going to go ahead and look at the cost budget again so we can see that how the change order affects those columns. So here's the combustion liner. Original was 1, budgeted CO quantity is now 10, and the revised budgeted amount, or quantity, is 11. So we can see the changes directly on the cost budget line. There's also a tab on the project called Change Orders, which will list all of the change orders for the project. You can also see the change orders on the Balances tab. So if you look at the Materials line for the Balances tab, you can see that there has been a budgeted change amount. And that's how you create a change order directly from the project in Acumatica. Thank you for joining us.